HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. This virus destroys the CD4 cells, also called T cells of the immune system. If the disease is not medically treated, HIV poses the threat of progressing to AIDS. AIDS is a deadly disease that severely affects the immune system, to a point of failure, which is unable to fight fatal infections and cancers. HIV is usually transmitted through semen, pre-seminal discharge, anal discharge, vaginal discharge, and blood. However, with early identification of common symptoms, proper medical treatment, and a healthy lifestyle, it is possible for an HIV-positive person to lead a long and productive life. So, we are listing top 10 early signs and symptoms of HIV that you must know. Number 1. Fever. One of the most common and primary symptoms of an HIV infection is a fever. A fever during the initial HIV stage is likely to be recurrent, and persists for 2 to 4 weeks at a time. Getting a fever in the early stages of HIV is a good sign. It proves your immune system has not weakened yet. Number 2. Night sweats. In HIV patients, night sweats usually accompany with fever. They feel difficulty to sleep, because they are unable to stop sweating. HIV-induced night sweats occur persistently, and without any attempt. They may wet your clothes and sheets, and make you nearly impossible to sleep. Number 3. Sore throat. A sore throat is another common symptom of early HIV. A sore throat may occur before the starting of fever, as an indicative sign in many patients. You may experience pain to swallow food and water, as well as your own saliva. A sore throat may last up to 2 weeks at a stretch, and may be accompanied by mouth ulcers. Number 4. Swollen lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are found in the neck, under the armpits, and in the groin area. The swelling of the lymph nodes shows that your body's immune system is working hard to minimize the damage caused by the HIV infection. You should be concerned if the swelling persists longer than 2 to 4 weeks. Number 5. Rashes and seborrheic dermatitis. Sebaceous glands are mainly located in the face, head, chest, upper back, and groin area. Seborrheic dermatitis seen on the scalp, face and chest, is one of the earliest symptoms of HIV. In addition, the appearance of red, inflamed, itchy and flaky skin around these regions, are also early symptoms of HIV. And these symptoms may last 2 to 3 weeks, or more. Number 6. Muscle and joint pain. Muscle and joint pain may reveal itself, in the form of moderate to severe pain in 2 or more joints, that may last between 2 to 24 hours. If these conditions are present, throughout the trajectory of the disease, then, they can be taken as a primary symptom of HIV. Number 7. Fatigue or tiredness. Fatigue caused from HIV can be described as a lack of energy, and feeling of exhaustion. This may be constant, and occur without any physical exertion. Fatigue significantly affects the patient's ability to perform chores, walk, exercise, work, and engage in other activities. And also induce depression and anxiety. Number 8. Headaches. Headaches are the most common, and persistent form of pain, experienced by HIV patients. They severely deteriorate the patient's quality of life, and hinder their day-to-day activities. Headaches like migraines, tension-type headaches, and headaches occurring on one side of head, which persists for weeks, are not associated with any underlying illness, but they may signify that HIV is in its initial stage. Number 9. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting are 2 of the most common symptoms of HIV. Since the HIV infection compromises weakening of immune system, the body may contract bacterial, fungal, and viral infections. Nausea is your body's way of letting you know that your system is under attack by these infections. Furthermore, if you have recently engaged in any of the high-risk behaviors mentioned above, and have been feeling nauseated regularly, it might be indication of HIV. Number 10. Diarrhea. Diarrhea is a disorder of the gastrointestinal tract, caused by bacterial, fungal and viral infections. Diarrhea gets severe when the immune system is weak, and can be categorized under an HIV infection. So, These are the top 10 early signs and symptoms of HIV that you must know. Do take note of it, and stay healthy. Please share the video with others, so they can also benefit from the information. If you find it helpful, give a thumbs up, and comment your suggestions below. Don't forget to subscribe, to stay healthy, with upcoming videos from Happy Sex Life.